Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're tuning in, yeah, this is a French space where we learn French and we teach people how to read, write, and even speak, because we'll be creating some amazing content which will help you grow in all these aspects. So today we'll be learning the French vowels, les voyelles français. I hope you'll be interested in learning these because it's one of the key topics that is going to help you even in your writing skills and in your speaking skills. So let's start. Basically, in French we have 6 vowels, 6 basic French vowels, which include a, e, o, u, and y. We have a, e, o, u, y. Note the pronunciation. We have and we have o. They are 2 different sounds, o, u, and y. Note this y gives the sound e in words when we meet them in words like stylo. We have stylo. So this y gives the sound e like stylo. Can you hear the pronunciation? Stylo. We are still going to learn more about that and their pronunciation in words. So we have 3 categories of these vowels in French language. We have les voyelles orales, les voyelles nasales, et les semi-voyelles. We have les voyelles orales, les voyelles nasales, et les semi-voyelles. That is the oral vowels, the nasal vowels, and the semi-vowels. For the oral vowels, air does not need to pass through our nose while pronouncing them. The air passes through our mouth. The nasal vowels are the words pronounced with air passing through our nose. You know, some of those words like that. And we have the semi-vowel. Just as the name implies, they are vowels that have a little bit of consonant and a little bit of vowels in them. So guys, I hope you've been able to learn the basic French vowels that we have, how they can be pronounced, and the different categories of French vowels that we have. So let me meet with you at the comment section if you have any questions as regarding the pronunciation or the various categories of French vowels. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget as well to share with friends that you feel it's going to benefit them. And the very last one, don't forget to subscribe so that when I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Till then,